Hi kids, welcome back to Maths class. I am Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 3rd standard Maths. I hope you all are safe at home. Today's our topic is multiplication. Before going to the topic, I will give some introduction. So listen. Consider Nikita, tomorrow is your birthday. Nikita, tomorrow is your birthday. You are going to give chocolate for your class students. The cost of one chocolate is 3 rupees. What is the cost of one chocolate? The cost of one chocolate is 3 rupees. The cost of one chocolate equal to 3 rupees. So, one chocolate equal to rupees 3. The total strength of the class students is 23. What is the total strength of the class student? The total strength of the class students is 23. So, write total strength equal to So, the total strength of the class students is 23. The cost of one chocolate is 3 rupees. Now, tell me Manimaran, what is the cost of 2 chocolate? Yeah, very good my dear. So, he said the answer is, ma'am, the cost of 2 chocolate is 6 rupees. Why? Because he said the answer based on addition, 3 plus 3. The cost of 1 chocolate is 3 rupees. I asked the question, what is the cost of 2 chocolate? So, 3 plus 3. So, write the answer, the cost of 2 chocolate. So, the cost of 2 chocolate is, so what is the cost of 2 chocolate? The cost of 2 chocolate is 3 plus 3. So, the answer is 6. 3 plus 3, the answer is 6. Now, tell me Nasreen, what is the cost of 3 chocolate? Yeah, so the cost of 3 chocolate is 9 rupees. So, take 3 plus 3 plus 3. Cost of 3 chocolate is, so the cost of 3 chocolate is 9 rupees. So, take 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, keep 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So, what is the answer? 3 after 4, 5, 6. Now, you keep 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 9. What is the answer? 9. The cost of 1 chocolate is 3 rupees. The cost of 2 chocolate is 6 rupees. The cost of 3 chocolate is 9 rupees. So, listen my children, here we used only a smaller quantity like 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, if it is larger quantity, what should we do there? Yeah, by this time addition is not possible. In this time you are going to do the multiplication. So, our today's topic is multiplication. So, take the total strength of the class students is 23 and the multiplication sign is x like. Okay, and the cost of one chocolate is 3 rupees. So, take 3 and multiply by 3. So, this is 1's place and this is 10's place. 3 3's are, what is the answer? 3 3's are. So, you should start the table, 3 zeros are onwards. 3 zeros are 0, 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9. That is 3 times of 3. So, the answer is 9. Next, you will take 3 2's are. So, what is the answer? 3 2's are 3 times of 2. So, take 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So, the answer is 6. So, the total cost of the chocolate is 69 rupees. What is the cost of one chocolate? The cost of one chocolate is 3 rupees. The cost of 23 chocolate is 69 rupees. I hope everyone knows what is our today's topic. Our today's topic is multiplication. The symbol for multiplication is x and then dot and then asterisk. Okay, x dot and then asterisk. The multiplication sign is also called as the dimension signs or and time signs. The multiplication sign is also called as the dimension signs. D-I-M-E-N SIONS, dimension signs or time sign. Dimension sign or time sign. Time sign. So the multiplication sign is also called as the dimension signs or time signs. Okay, so our today's topic is multiplication. So first we are going to see what is multiplication. Multiplication means that is repeated addition. Multiplication means what? That is repeated addition. For example, if you take 8 sevens are, what is the answer? 8 sevens are, 8 sevens are 56. 8 times of 7, 8 sevens are 56. Here the 8 sevens are 56 is called the multiplication fact. 8 sevens are 56 is called the multiplication fact. Next we will see what is multiplication fact. In this multiplication we have some names. Okay, so for example, here 8, here 7, here 56. Here in this 56 is called the product. In this 56 is called the product, and 8 is called the multiplicand. What is that? 8 is called the multiplicand. multiplicand. 8 is called the multiplicand and 7 is called the multiplier. multiplier. So listen my children, in multiplication the numbers having separate names. So the first number 8 is called the multiplicand, the second number 7 is called the multiplier, the final answer is called the product. Now we are going to see what is meant by multiplicand, what is meant by multiplier and what is meant by product. Now we are going to see what is meant by multiplicand, multiplier and product. What is meant by multiplicand, multiplier and product. So before our example is 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. So I told you 8 is called the multiplicand and 7 is called the multiplier and 56 is called the product. So listen, what is meant by multiplicand? What is meant by multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called the number to be multiplied. So the first number, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The second number, multiplier means the number of times the things get multiplied. The number of times that things get multiplied is called the multiplier. The number of times the things get multiplied is called the multiplier. So finally the product means the answer is called the, listen here, when we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called the product. The answer is called the product. So 8 is called multiplicand, 7 is called multiplier and 56 is called the product. So we will see one more example. Listen here. Here we have 4 trees. How many trees are there? 4 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we have 4 trees and multiply by 1. That is 4 times of 1. That is what? 4 times of 1. So the answer is 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Next we will see what is meant by multiplication fact. Next we will see what is meant by multiplication fact. So multiplication fact, some basic multiplication fact are need to follow for multiplying a number. So nothing, this is repeated addition. This is the short form of multiplication. For example, we will find the multiplication fact of 5 plus 5 equal to 15. So multiplication fact means it is very easy. That is the short form of multiplication. Okay. So tell me Nasreen, totally how many 5s are there? Yeah, very good my dear. Totally we have 3 5s. So write 3 in first place and then put the multiplication symbol. Already 5 is there. So write 5. So what is the answer? 3 5s are 15. That is 3 times of 5 or 5 times of 3. That is 3 times of 5 or 5 times of 3. So add and write the answer. You are getting the answer is 15. Next we will see the one more example. For example, take 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So take 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Next we will take 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So what is the answer? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. So next we will take 12 plus 4. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Okay. So now tell me Manimaran, totally how many 4s are there? Yeah, very good my dear. Totally we have 4 4s. So first we will write 4 and multiply by, already we having the number is 4. Take 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So this is called as multiplication fact. So what does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is repeated addition. What does mean by multiplication? Repeated addition. Next we will see the fill in the blanks. So use the multiplication table. The first question is 5 4s are dash into 5. Okay. So simply write 4 5s are. The answer is 4 5s are. Next you will take at what number you should multiply by 1. You are getting the answer is 6. Yeah, that is 6 1s are 6. 6 times of 1. So write the answer 6. 6 1s are 6. Next you will take 8 multiply by some number. You are getting the answer is 0. So what is the number? Yeah, so if you take 8 multiply by 0 means you are getting the answer 0. 8 zeros are 0. So the answer is 0. The next one is 10 multiply by some number. The answer is 10. So take 1. 10 1s are 10, that is 10 times of 1. 10 1s are 10, that is 10 times of 1. So this is fill in the blanks. Next we are going to see the next topic. The next topic is using the multiplication table. Using the multiplication table, the first question is 7 4s are, 5 5s are, 10 4s are, 8 2s are. 7 4s are, 5 5s are, 10 4s are, 8 2s are. So using the multiplication table. So my dear students, already you know what is multiplication. So multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Now you take 7 4s are means 7 times of 4. 7 times of 4. So using the addition and you should write the answer, otherwise straightly you know means write the answer. So what is the answer? 7 4s are 7 times of 4. So the answer is 28. What is the answer? The answer is 28. So take 7 times 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and finally 7 times 4 are 4 times 7. Okay. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So you are getting the answer is 28. Next you will take 5 5s are, that is 5 times of 5. Okay. So already you know the 5 table. It is very easy for you. 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5. Tell me Manimaran, what is 5 2s are? Yeah, very good my dear. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So here the question is 5 5s are 25, that is 5 times of 5. Take 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so you are getting the answer is 25. Next you will take 10 4s are. So 10 times of 4 or 4 times of 10. 10 times of 4 or 4 times of 10. So you know the 10 table very well. What is the answer? 10 4s are? Yeah, 10 4s are 40. Next you will take 8 2s are. So 8 times of 2 or 2 times of 8. 8 times of 2 or 2 times of 8. So the answer is 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. So this is using the multiplication table. So listen my children, what is multiplication? Multiplication is the repeated addition. So keep in your mind. Okay, multiplication is the repeated addition. So our today's final topic is find the product. So already you know what is product. So when we multiply two or more number, the answer is called the product. Here we are going to see the 2-digit number multiplied by single digit number. 2-digit number multiplied by single digit number. So first you are going to write the place values. Okay, so why the place value is important? Because the place value is used to classify the numbers. Okay, way to use which number based on the question. So first you will write we have two place only. Okay, so write ones and tens place. Ones and tens place. First you should write ones, tens. Okay, next you will write this is the ones place value and this is the tenth place value. 2 is the ones place value and 4 is the tenth place value. So write 2 and then 4. 2 and then 4. Next you will take multiply by 2. Now you take 2 and then multiply by ones place. That is 2 times of 2. What is that? 2 times of 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So next you will take 2 4s are. Tell me Nani, what is the answer 2 4s are? Yeah, listen. So keep 2 4s are. That is 2 times of 4. The answer is, yeah, very good. You said the answer, ma'am. 2 4s are is 8. So the answer is 8. The answer is 8. So finally take and write the answer 84. Finally take and write the answer 84. The next question is take 12 and multiply by 4. Now you are going to write the place value. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones, that is 2, and the 10th place value is 1. Now we will take 4 and multiply by ones place value. Take 4 and multiply by ones place value. So that is 4 times of 2. 4 2s are. So what is the answer? 4 2s are is 8. The next one is 4 1s are. 4 times of 1. So the answer is 4. Take the answer and write finally 48. Now I am going to put another example. Just listen. Take 19 and multiply by 5. 19 and multiply by 5. So first you will write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones and the second place value is tens. So write tens here. Take 5 and multiply by 9. So what is the answer? 5 9s are, that is 5 times of 9. 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, and finally 5 9s are 45. Here we got 2-digit number, right? So write the number 45. So write this is as ones place and it is tens place. In that tens place you should be written 10th place carry place. 10th place carry value, that is write 4 and 5 should be written down. The next you will take 5 1s are. So 5 1s are, what is the answer? 5 1s are 5 and then they are having 4. So 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 95. What is the answer? 95. So write the answer 95. So my dear students, today you have learned this section multiplication fact, that related fill in the blanks and then find the product and then what is multiplicand, multiplier and product. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have added study material, question bank and self assessment work. So do the self assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you students.